Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide. Whatever comes through clear.
Hey, how y'all doing? So, I got a vanity from this company called Yitahome. You guys would have been familiar with them because I got a chest to draw from them and I posted that in a couple of vlogs ago. I am literally so excited to open this right now because I've been wanting a vanity, but there has been no space for me to put that. Anyways, besides the point, we have it now and I'm going to set it up. Hello, mosquito disrespectfully, man. I'm very patriotic today in the Jamaican shirt. So let's go. Once again, thank you to Yitahome for sending this vanity. I love you guys so much and I hope you guys love the install. I don't even know if I'm going to need probably like a power drill or whatever, something. I'm just a girl. I don't know. Let's do that. Ah!
Someone to get money when I take it from me.
So, this is the manual of how to put it together, and the literal first page says 2 or more people are needed to complete this installation. Professional installation is highly recommended. I am neither 2 or more people, I am 1. The plug is not on that side of the room and it cannot go where the plug is. Professional, I don't think I'm a professional, but I think I can do this. Oh my god, do I really need help? I think I might. This is a lot. I have never gotten a booklet to install something. A whole booklet. A whole booklet. Alright people, hear what? I am going to figure out the pieces first. And then I will come back when I actually start assembling because
This might be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy.
Just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. I didn't come this far just to come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express.
People want gills. People, I screwed it in wrong. I screwed it into the wrong hole for the second one because I'm looking at them and I'm like, why does it look off? So I'm going to take it out and do it over. I'm going to come back when I'm done with this one, please.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be.
this time. God, I'm gonna kill myself. I just want you all to know that I was determined to do this by myself. I purposely did not want any help at all, and I think I did a good job. 5 hours, back pain, and slightly bruised hands, but I did it, and it looks super cute. I mean, obviously you guys will see that in the end, but once again, I love Yitahome. Them always I give me furniture, and I love them for that. So if you want to get this vanity, make sure you click the link in my description box and go to their website. This is the one with the LED strip and not the bulbs, but if you do want the bulbs, there's an option for that as well. For the people that are living in Jamaica, if you want to order this and ship it through your US shipping address, just know that this does come in 2 separate boxes, so it's not going to come as one full package. Also, if you want to save some more money, make sure you use my code SS15 to get 15% off, not only on the vanity but site-wide. So yeah, and they're also having deals up to 70% off, so I think you guys should really take advantage of that, because I know I will be doing that. I never got a chance to show you guys in the video. I can probably show you in the next video, because remember when I told you guys that the plug was a little bit further from the vanity? Yes, something wrong with the extension and I cannot move the vanity, so I can't show you that it has 3 different light settings. So it has warm light, the cool tone, and the regular one. Also, it comes with a little tool or add-on that you can put on the side that holds your blow dryer, and you can see that it comes with the plug on the side and everything. Once again, thank you to Yitahome for sponsoring this portion of the video, and let's get back to it. I literally have 6% left on my camera, and Uber was literally just here, but true, me and my doctor just love to talk, or should I say him love to talk. He made me late and he left me. Uber literally left me and I had to redo it, and I think it's the same guy that accepted the ride again. I'm going to Fontana now. Gonna see if I can get a robe, because as I said, I have to keep up the cosplay. Yeah, I might record the rest on my phone though, because as I said, my battery is dying, so I will talk to you guys later. My phone is dying, my camera is dying, and I don't know if I'm seeing what I want. I want a white headband, but I'm seeing these, and maybe I can get them, to be honest, because it has this greenish one, pink, blue, and like a cream color, but I really wanted white, like a proper white, and I'm not seeing that. And I don't even know if Fontana sell robes. Why did I come here? Why did I come here? What to do? Soon enough, we want to be a soft aesthetic girly, and now I can't find what I want.
You say she quit.
So guys, as you can see, it is a little bit later and I'm finally deciding to eat some dinner. So I made this pasta the other day, and I had some tuna, some jerk chicken breast, and obviously the pasta. So I'm going to be using this tuna with this jerk chicken breast, and this is the noodles I'm going to use. So my water is actually boiled, so I'm gonna put this in there now. I'm just gonna cut up one of these because I don't want a lot of pasta. Cut up one of these, and after it's all boiled, then I add the other seasonings or whatever. I'm just gonna put this in. So let's do that.
me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy.
Alright, so now that the skincare is done, it is actually 2 p.m. I know y'all thought it was morning, but it's not. I have been in a bit of a funk, but I'm trying to take myself out of that funk because soft girls don't get in funks. Y'all like my hair? I got the headband. I have on a very long dress too, but I turned it into a lounging dress because it is too see-through. I wore it on the road once and yeah, you could just see everything. And I'm not really one of those girls that likes to go on the road without underwear. So yeah, I'm just sticking to wearing this in the house because I don't care if my underwear is showing through it. You understand? And I kind of folded it up so it is at my thighs right now. But yeah, I really love the dress because it is just snatching me on up. I have a video to do today for a brand and today is the deadline. Why am I doing it today, you may ask? Because every time I wanted to do it, I wanted to do it at other people's houses because, you know, they're more aesthetically appealing than mine. And it hasn't been working out because, you know, our schedules are clashing. So I'm just going to have to make do with what I have. So I'm going to do that after I eat. I'm going to make breakfast now, which is lunch. It's lunch. I have no idea what I'm going to have for lunch. I also needed to go to the supermarket because I wanted to buy avocados and bread so I could make my avocado toast. But yeah. So yeah, I will touch back in with you guys after I eat. See ya. Okay, so remember how I was telling you guys earlier that I have a promo to do? Today was the deadline and that my place wasn't very aesthetically appealing. Well, I'm going over to Shanita. But first, I have to go to the supermarket and I'm a little bit stressed about that because I have to bring my big bag because I'm taking my props with me. So I'm going to be taking this and then I'm going to have to go in the supermarket with that big bag. We're just gonna make it work. We're just gonna make it work. I'm gonna go now. I want to finish this. Ow, it actually hurt. My light just fell off my camera because it wasn't screwed on properly. But anyways, we're just gonna ignore that. We're gonna ignore that. I'm gonna book my Uber now. I'm going to wear what I have on. The same lounge dress that I said I don't want to wear out of the house. That's what I'm gonna wear. I will chat with you guys either when I'm in the supermarket or when I'm over Shanita. We're inside. On the list, I have popcorn, soda, mini pretzels, M&Ms. I was about to say chocolate nuts, but I said chopped nuts. So either some almonds or some peanuts and dried fruits, something like cranberries or I'm gonna work with cranberries. Let me find them and I'll get back to you. I don't think I'm going to vlog anymore. Hi! In case for some reason one of them spoils. Let's make a better cherry mix. Yeah, when I got the last one.
Doing good, bitch, I'm Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we fucking, it feel like a movie. Raw bitch ain't never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you don't never wanna lose me. 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 Keep me a Haitian, I love me a $2,395. Little gold washer.
Expensive.
Sorry, I'm supposed to be a soft babe. My bad. Bro, the little gold flakes that me appear.
Do you want me to take your picture?
Sure, we're not even know what name.
Pasta. Something that look like pasta.
Is it pad thai? I'm gonna eat it with this.
Try it and like spin it around for him.
Tomorrow is the baby. Yeah, as an Asian babe.
Period.
She's something in your mouth, girl.
So if it's spin it around something, girl. At least yours is hot. Oh my god, that's the look of disappointment.
We can't take it up and I want to finish some of it.
Alright, am I gonna sink in my seat? Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you. Can't text it on the picture. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo! Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Make it a drink.
I've been thinking about you on the road. We having rich sex on the boat. He hit it back to back like it's dope.
Fuck this club up. 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 Fuck this club up.
Yeah.
Fuck this club up. Fuck this club up. Fuck the club up.
Hey yo, I tell them that I'm the sleaze. They telling me, okay, prove it. I leave these bitches on red, so now they know that they blew it. I tell them I'm moving units, my videos, they gon' view it. Spotify ain't got a lie, they really streaming my music. I give bitches the crown, they fuck around and lose it. Nah, I am no wave, I only wave when I'm telling them bye. Bitch, we ain't twinning, ain't fraternal or identical. When I'm around, bitch, you know you be cutting visible. Who wanna play with Nicki? Got the power, I could tell my niggas spray like 50. Come on, bitch, I just put a million on my Richie. Mine is like 50, mine was 950.
Club up. Fuck the club up.
High heels on my tippies. Dough, say ain't Gabbana, that's on my titties. Pop me vitamins when I bite the dicky. I still got the juice, bitch, bite a sippy. I will never slippy like a Mickey. Stay in your Tory lane, bitch, I'm not Iggy.
Got a package. I don't know what's in it. Well, I don't know what's in the small one. I know what's in this big one. But no idea. Oh! So I ended up just put it in. Okay. I wanted to get a phone tripod because I realized that I don't have one, and it's because I don't really use my phone to do content really, but sometimes when I can't bother use a camera, I really just do need something else to use. So I got this one, and I think it's really nice because it can hello? Okay, there we go. It can go back and forward, so I can adjust it. It's a little bit hard to adjust, but okay, whatever. Basically, I bought this one so I could put it on top of my camera. You know, sometimes when you want to film both content on your phone and on your camera, but you can't bother to set up one tripod here with your phone and with your camera, so I just have it all together. So now I can just put this on top, or if I don't feel like using my camera, I can always just screw this on to the tripod itself. So yeah, I think this is a good buy, I guess. This is from Ulanzi. I'll have it in my Amazon storefront. Can extend, all that jazz, yeah, great. Woo. This now, I have a mini digital camera, my very first camera ever, and I have no idea where the charger is. I left the camera. I don't have the camera right now, so I don't even know if this will fit, but I hope it does because I could not find this cable out here anywhere. Now for the big package. A new flat iron because I don't remember if I told you guys, but my flat iron finally gave up on me. So I saw this one kind of going viral on TikTok and I decided to get it. Of course, I got it in black because why wouldn't I get it in black? I figured. I was up till about 5 o'clock watching series. Yeah, my sleep schedule is off now. My sleep schedule is off now. Yeah. Hate it. I start wake up some 11, 12 o'clock and go to my bed at 3, 4 o'clock. My dad just called. But anyways, this is what it comes in. It comes down to what I call this dust bag. It comes with gloves. Nice. Because I be burning myself. Protect my hand from the heat. Period. Now I have two because I got one glove with my curling wand. Where is my curling wand? Ooh, I like how big this is. Ah, I love it. And this is the star. This is the star of the show. This is gonna take my content to the next level. I'm literally so excited. It's a electric turntable display stand thingamajig. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Alright, comes with a plug, but I thought this one was wireless though. Okay, here's the remote. And this is what it looks like. You know, you ever see in those videos where people are standing on this and it spins them around? Especially for fashion videos or just cool editing videos, or sometimes they use it for products when they're doing product shots or, you know, UGC content. I had to get one. I really, really wanted one. And I'm so happy I got it. Let me see. Small though, but if I stand in one place, oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. But it seems like I have to, alright? I have to. Oh! It is wireless. I think I just plug it in to charge it. Alright, whoa. Hold on. Right? You don't need to see all of me. Just see some of me. I'm gonna turn it on. Yeah. Oh my god! When I read the reviews, they did say it goes a little slow. It does go slow, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. You feel me? Oh god, I feel like I'm too heavy for it. But it did say it could, I think it could hold up to, well, I don't remember how much pounds it can hold up to, you know, but it can hold. Oh, I can accelerate it. Oh, I can accelerate it and decelerate it with the remote. I don't know if what I was just on a while ago, if that was the fastest it could go. So I guess we'll test that out. Not right now on camera. But yeah, that's everything I got. I love this so much. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I got this. Oh, I love it. Good morning. Well, it's not morning anymore. And I am exhausted because I have work today and I decided to take you guys to work today. I need to do my hair. So yeah, my hair, it's crying. It's crying. Yeah, it's crying. For the past 2 weeks, you know, maybe been at this little ketchup style. I have been embracing my little oxtail. So that's all I've been doing. I've just been putting my hair in a little ponytail and doing my edges, and yeah, but it is stiff, it is dirty, and it have to wash today. I'm going to Max Spot, get some content, and I was thinking of taking my laptop with me and probably going to Starbucks to edit a little bit, but I don't know yet. It kind of just depends on my mood, and we'll just see how that goes. I love that you guys are loving my last video, my little, I guess you could call it an update. No, my ear dirty, you know? This is disgusting. Oh my god, I don't want to go on the road like this.
Take it back in time. Party like it's 95. I just wanna dance all night. You know that I like it like that. When the party's feel like 95. I just wanna dance all night. Tell them turn the lights out, let the party go.
Now that this is over with, I've already taken a shower. So all I need to do now is wash my face, because I know I'm kind of weird. I don't do my skincare while I'm in the shower. I do it after I come out. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. This is what the hair is looking like. Oh, good. I had on that smooth skin filter thing all the way bumped up, and I was like, why do I look like that? Thank you. This is giving natural. I take it off. Today, and my Uber is outside. Yep, be right there. I will talk to you guys when I get there.
Scumbag, you know what time it is. You know when it's called. You know that I want you to make sure.
You don't want to walk out. I want to. Thank you. So much for that.
One down, about like 5 more to go. So what I like to do is before I come here, when I'm home, I kind of like pre-record them, or like have an idea, film them with just like a draft, so I know what I'm gonna come here and do. So this is one.
What the fuck? No!
Yeah, this one we're gonna do next. Ooh. be that. That is it, and that is all for today. Well, I'm at TGI now. I really just did not want to go home yet, so I decided to come to TGI for a little drink. And since I have coupons, why not? What's new in the drinks department? Nothing? I have one little passion for drinks. I feel for tacos and I really wish they could mix the tacos. I can only get one type of meat. I think I'll just take this one. And I have coupons, so I ain't gonna say nothing. Very good. Hi. Hello. This is pretty. I'm Anto in the building. Yeah.
Well needed. I have so many updates. Honestly. Oh Lord.
Have mercy.
Be for real. I don't like sweeties.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. All you need is humble like don't be in the humble club. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Holding who you slept right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right.
Hey y'all, I'm back in my storage room. Because it really is a storage room at this point. This is on 2%, so bro, just ignore everything that's going on right now. I am gonna wash my hair because it is atrocious. Hey, did that hair grow now? The lady hair grow. Like, I can't believe that my hair is almost touching my shoulders, but not really. I'm gonna flat iron it though. I'm not going to wear it like this for the rest of the week because I think I'm putting too much tension and the battery's dead. I'll talk to y'all later. Come on, I make this camera embarrass me.